everyone, another quick holiday tip as I am walking my cat Nini and Gus is about to come out. If you're going to be sending out holiday cards, I hope that you start now. They can be a really overwhelming task, so my first quick tip is going to be consider sending an e-card. You know, so many people are doing that these days. If you're especially overwhelmed, just go ahead and do the e-card. If you're going to be sending out cards, I'm going to encourage you, start now and divide up the task. Get family members involved and do a task each day, because if you sit down and think, oh my gosh, I have 100 cards I have to send out, that's a lot of work. So one day you create a newsletter. If you're doing that, one day you double check all the addresses to make sure they're all right. Second day you print labels, although a quick tip, if you order cards online, you can get your return address label. It's another thing to support you and save money. And plan to do everything each day. And one thing I do is I carry around a tote, so if I'm stuck in the doctor's office or the vet's office and I have all this time on my hands, instead of stewing and being angry, I work on my holiday cards. So divide tasks up really easily, do a little bit each day, and before you know it, you will have your holiday cards out and you'll think of it as a joyful task instead of something to overwhelm you. Clear your clutter to create the life you choose, deserve, and desire. And happy Thanksgiving that's coming up.